Dumpster rental service in Downey, California. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Downey, California? Dumpster Rentals by Truck and Go Delivery Incorporated proudly provides affordable and dependable dumpster rentals for residential and commercial projects. Whether you're clearing out your garage, managing a renovation, or working at a job site, our dumpsters are the perfect solution. We assist homeowners, contractors, and business owners maintain clean and organized spaces. Our rental process is easy, efficient, and designed to fit your schedule. We offer flexible options and a range of dumpster sizes to match your project's needs. Timely delivery and pickup are guaranteed so that you can stay focused on the job at hand. Our team ensures each dumpster is placed with care and picked up promptly when you're finished. We prioritize effective communication and strive to deliver customer service that exceeds expectations. There are no hidden fees or unnecessary delays, just reliable waste removal when you need it. We're proud to serve the Downey community with solutions that make cleanup easier and faster. Every project is unique, and we're here to help you find the right dumpster every time. Call us at 888-412-4790 and get started with a rental that fits your timeline and budget. Dumpster Rentals by Truck and Go Delivery Incorporated, Downey's trusted partner for dumpster rentals.